guys, it's Dr. Daniels. Last week, we put a Facebook post that you could ask me anything. So I had a bunch of you guys respond and ask me some different questions. So I was going to do a little video to answer some of your questions. One of them from Karen was, how do we keep our retainers nice and bright and clear? Personally for me, I wake up in the morning and I brush my teeth with my Sonicare toothbrush with my retainers in my mouth. And then I pop them out, brush them again. And then, if you want, you can actually soak them in this stuff called Retainer Bright every single night. They make this little ultrasonic cleaner for like $40 plus a year supply of tablets, and it's fabulous for keeping your retainers like as clear as I possibly think I've ever seen anything before. Somebody else asked me, what's the deal with popcorn? Like, why can't you have popcorn with braces? Now, if you have Invisalign, you can have anything you want, so it doesn't really apply. But with popcorn and braces, those little kernels that you're eating, they get stuck underneath those brackets all the time, and if they slip under your gums, they can cause like a big abscess. So I'd say out of like 9 out of 10 abscesses I see in this office, I always ask my patients right away, like, have you eaten popcorn recently? And 9 out of 10 times they say, yeah, I ate popcorn last week, because little kernels crawl right under your gums, you can't brush them out, and it can give you a really painful, bloody, pussy abscess. So don't do popcorn, all right? Another question was, can you chew gum even if you have these little springs in? You can chew gum, it just needs to be sugarless gum. Gum's, oddly enough, really good for the blood flow around the teeth. It'll actually help decrease the pain, and it kind of gets the party started and gets your teeth moving when you first get braces on. So I think gum is fabulous. As long as you're chewing sugarless gum, most sugarless gum nowadays has xylitol in it, which actually fights cavities. So, another question we got was, what's the deal with the rooster in our parking lot, right? Like, who doesn't love seeing, like, random birds in my parking lot? We had a turkey. Turkey is no longer, it unfortunately crossed the road. But we don't just have one rooster, we actually have 5 roosters next door. So you can hear cock-a-doodle-doo all day long if you want to, and they are not my roosters, they are the house next door on their own little makeshift farm that they did. So my old high school buddy Ryan asked me about my hairdo. So, and I know, Ryan, this is very similar to what you had in 1995 when we were camp counselors at Lael Church Camp. But I didn't steal it from you. I went to Hairdresser and Fire in Windsor, and I got my hair snipped this way, okay? So, but it does look a little remarkably similar to what you used to have in 1995. So, what other questions did I get? I got, what brand of toothpaste do I use? I love Colgate Total. Frankly, you can use anything you want as long as it's not a whitening toothpaste. They're super abrasive and it's definitely going to cause recession. So the lighter, less abrasive toothpaste, like anything from Tom's or some of the lower Colgate ones, a lot of the non-bleaching ones, those are really good for abrasive index. And then I got a what came first, the chicken or egg, and I have no clue what came first. But the final question was, can I do the Carlton? I cannot do the Carlton. In fact, Tasha had to show me the video of the Carlton, but I have learned from Fortnite that I can floss. So here's a little floss action for you guys. All right.